guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy new year. If you're new to this channel, my name is Hair and welcome back to another hair tutorial plus makeup. So I've already washed my hair and I'm about to put it in a bun so that tomorrow it will be nice for me to put my ponytail on it. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And this will be the gel that I will be using. But if you have any other gel like Eco Styling gel, you can also use that. So I'm going to bed and hopefully when I wake up, my hair will be on flick tomorrow. Good morning, wonderful people. So I just woke up and my hair is on fleek. I decided to show you guys how my hair looks like this morning. So let's see how my hair looks like when I slept over. So this is how my back looks like and the front looks like. If my hair is a little bit not in the right direction, if I can use that word, bear with me because I have a very short natural hair. But I will cover my hair so that I can get right into my makeup, and afterwards I will just show you the finished look. So please bear with me and watch me have my face be. And this hair, as you can see, my hair, this place is really short, so it will be difficult for me to add the ponytail to it. So I will just put this hair up there and braid it for you to see. You will see how I do it. I don't actually know the look I'm going for, but I hope I come up with a good thing. But I just want to go in with, I don't know, but I like blue eyeshadow, so I'll try and go in with my blue eyeshadow. Well, this is the hair that I will use. I have already braided it, so yeah. And then I'll put it on my hair to get the grip that I was talking about.